Feeling stressed, overwhelmed, or just looking for a way to make sense of your thoughts? Meet the Stoic Journal, a simple Notion template that turns your daily scribbles into life changing wisdom. This isn't about complicated philosophy, it's about asking yourself the right questions to boost your mental resilience, emotional strength, and foster gratitude and contentment. Whether you're a seasoned journaler or a complete newbie, I'll show you how this Stoic journal can help you navigate life's ups and downs, find more joy in your day, and become the best version of yourself, all in just a few minutes each day. After you've downloaded this Notion template, the first thing you want to do is click on these three buttons and select duplicate. And I'm going to name this as a demo. Quick rundown on the buttons that you have in this template. This is your mobile view button. Once you've clicked this on your mobile phone, it brings you to mobile view with 6 different buttons for you to lock your journal entry. Back to the desktop view. Likewise, you have the 6 different buttons for you to lock your journal entries for a one-line journal, morning and evening journal, weekly, quarterly, and yearly reflection. This widget gives you an idea of the timeline. We are about 76% into the year, just the start of the month, and about midway through the week. These buttons give you an overview of the energy level that you are feeling for the week, your mood, your growth, as well as your alignment. I will go in depth when I'm running through the morning and evening journal templates. Over here is your quote of the day. Today's quote is to be like the rock that the waves keep crashing over. It stands unmoved and the raging of the sea falls still around it. This quote is by Marcus Aurelius. If you like this quote, you can check it as a favorite, and this will show up on your favorites tab under the Stoic quote, which I'll run through in a bit. Alright, first up, let's run through the template for morning journal. Click on morning, and it will generate a morning journal template with today's date and the day. The first one that you would like to fill in would be your energy level. Just do a self-assessment on your energy level for the day. Let's say we're feeling 4 out of 5. And likewise, a self-assessment of your mood for the day. Let's say we're feeling 4 out of 5 today. I'll leave the growth and alignment option empty. We will fill this up for our evening journal. Over here, you have a list of guiding questions for your morning journal. And this is where you will input your journal entries. And feel free to change them if you wish. Just type any other questions over here as your prompting questions. If you have a quote that you want to add as part of your morning journal, just click on Add Quote. Let's say today's quote is balance being and doing. And let's say this is related to your approach to life. Okay, so I'll select life, and let's just say I'll check as a favorite quote. I'll show you where this will show up eventually, and just click away. And I'll run through a template for an evening journal. So at the end of the day, before you turn in, you want to audit your day, click on evening. Again, an evening journal template will be generated. Now this is where you do a self-assessment on your level of growth for the day. Let's say today it's a 5 out of 5. And in terms of alignment, how aligned are you to your goals and your priorities based on what you've done for the day? So let's say it's a 5 out of 5 again. And then run through the prompting questions for your evening journal. Again, if you wish, you can add or amend any of this. And once you're done, you can click away. So over here, you can have a look for the week. That's one count of filling 4 out of 5. So once you fill up 7 morning journal entries for the week, you can have a rough assessment on what's your general level of energy and mood for the week, as well as your growth and alignment. Alright, if you scroll down over here under my quotes, this is where we have our quote saved here under the favorites tab, related to life, and this quote that we've just entered earlier. Now to collapse this, just click on the arrow, and for Stoic quotes, this is where the 366 different Stoic quotes by Stoic philosophers are captured. And today's quote by Marcus Aurelius, since we've clicked on favorite, is shown on the favorite list. And to uncheck, just uncheck on the favorite. And it goes back into the general list. And I have also included different tabs by different Stoics. And if you'd like to add more to them, just feel free to edit or duplicate these pages and just add different quotes to it. Now this is your database, and that's where all your journals will be captured, as well as your quote and Stoic quotes. Now for moments, you can add unique moments for the day as part of your journal entry. So let me just go back to our morning journal. If you have any unique, any special moments or photos you would like to capture, just click on the plus. Special moments for today. Okay, you can just upload up to 3 media files over here. And if you click on clip, it shows up over here under this week. Special moments for the day. You can click on this and then you can have a look at the media files that you have saved. And if you have this unchecked, these media files will not show up here, but you can always feel free to retrieve them either from your journal's entry or within the moments database. And for your weekly and quarterly as well as your yearly reflection, just click on the buttons. Again, there will be guiding questions for your weekly reflection. Likewise, you can make changes to it if you wish. I hope you like this Stoic Journal template. I use this on a daily basis for my morning and evening journal entry. It helps me gain better clarity of my intentions for the day, and also gives me an avenue to audit what I've done for the day and whether what I've done and what I've prioritized is actually in line with my goals and priorities in life. You can download this template for free. Link is in the description. If you found this template useful, please leave a rating or review.